If you want to play music in Discord voice chat, you have a few different options. The first option is using a music bot. To do this, choose a music bot. There are plenty to choose from, but here we're using FlavorBot. The next step is to invite the bot. Visit the bot's official website and click on the Invite to Server button. Complete the authorization by following the prompts to authorize the bot on your server. Now that the bot is on your server, you should be able to use commands like \play, followed by the song name to start playing your music. Another option is using Spotify. To link Spotify, go to User Settings, Connections, and find Spotify from the list of apps above. You'll need to sign into your Spotify account, but once it's connected, you can play music using commands like !Spotify, followed by the song name to play music from your Spotify playlist. The final option is using Stereo Mix. If you open your control panel, go to Hardware and Sound, followed by Manage Audio Devices. You should be able to go into the Recordings tab and enable Set Stereo Mix as the default device. From here, you can join voice chat and start playing music on your computer, and it will be shared through your microphone in the voice chat. These methods should help you enjoy your music while chatting with people on Discord.